Alright, let's clear up something that confuses a lot of people. What's the difference between Git and GitHub? If you've ever tried to get into coding or tech, you've probably heard both terms thrown around. Sometimes they're said like they're the same thing, but trust me, they're not. Let's start with Git. Imagine you're writing a book. Every time you make a big change, you want to save a copy, just in case you mess something up and need to go back. Git is like that. It's a tool that helps you track changes in your code or any files. If you delete something important, Git lets you rewind to older versions. If you want to see what your project looked like last week, Git lets you rewind to older versions. It's basically a superpowered undo button for your code. Git works on your computer. It's local. You don't need the internet. It's just you and your files. What if you want to share your code or work with people around the world? That's where GitHub comes in. GitHub is like a social network for code. It's a website where you upload your Git-tracked projects and collaborate. It's cloud storage for code, plus extra features, like issue tracking, pull requests, project management tools. On GitHub, you can show off your work, contribute to other people's projects, get noticed by employers. So Git is the tool that tracks your changes. GitHub is the place to share those changes and collaborate. You can use Git without GitHub, but you can't really use GitHub without Git. Git is like the engine in your car. GitHub is like the garage where you park your car and invite friends. So when someone asks, "Are you using Git or GitHub?" you'll know. Mess around with Git, then try uploading to GitHub. You'll pick it up fast. That's it. If this helped, give a thumbs up and drop what you want to learn next in the comments. Thanks for watching.